Hi, I'm Dr. Veni from Mayura Skincare. Let me share a little bit about our products. Mayura skincare products are based on certain healing and anti-aging substances found in tropical plants and fruits. Pomegranate that contain powerful antioxidant and repair factor is a prime ingredient found in Mayura's night cream and face wash. Vitamin C, collagen, aloe and yam are also included in Mayura products, serving to revive damaged skin due to inflammation and give true vitality and renewal to how you look and feel. Mayura products have passed the highest safety standard and never tested on animals. Bring into your life the vitality you clearly deserve. Mayura Skincare.